Welcome back to the channel. Stretch your chicken skin so we can begin. Today we're replacing a mobile home outlet, a plug outlet. You're gonna need this electrical tester, screwdriver, and some pliers. You want to test it. This one's busted, so it's a little dangerous. But you stick this in there and then touch it right there, and the light should be on. Yep, the light is on. Shut the power off. Double check. Yep, I got nothing. And I got nothing. And you start with these top screws. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. And you want to definitely make sure the power's off. We shut off the main breaker and not just to the room. We shut everything off just to be on the safe side. Okay, got this guy out. This guy's real bad shape. So how you get these wires out is you stick the screwdriver in there, then pull it out. There's one, two, and there is a third here. Okay, there's a third black. Ground off. Okay, here's the new one. You want to do the black wires to the gold, and the white wires to the silver side. So it'll be like that. I like to put a little bend on these, so it wraps around the screw good, get a good contact. Okay. Put two to the bottom one and one to the top one. So I'm going to do this. Okay, got the black side done, the white side. It's a little difficult. Tight. There we go. That's not quite doing it right. Push this wire down. Okay, better. Now this one can fit on there a lot better. Just squeeze a little bit better. Alright, now the top one. Okay, you got the white wires. Now we got the ground left. Okay, you need a flat head for these top and bottom screws. This is what holds them into the box. Get them started. Okay, and pop the cover on. This is a flathead. Okay, I'm gonna go turn the power on and then test it with the electrical tester. Flip it on. You gotta do it hard. Okay, power's on. Yep, we got a light on. Yep, we got a light on. Follow for more content. I appreciate it. Subscription, like, comment. Have a good one.